Tucked away on a narrow callejón in a vibrant barrio, Unnamed beckons with an unexpected allure. This isn't just a house, it's a portal. A monolithic stone base, like a silent guardian, leads you towards a doorway that promises escape from the bustling city. Stepping inside, the cacophony of the streets dissolves. You're met with a haven of soft, indirect light that bathes the space in tranquility. Unnamed isn't your ordinary residence. It's a canvas, a story waiting to unfold. Ohla Studio, the creative force behind it, has crafted a space that transcends mere utility. Unnamed is a gallery, a melting pot where design, art, and community converge. The philosophy is clear: this is a vessel for ideas. Here, traditions from the past intertwine with the challenges of the present, sparking conversations between artists and collectors passionate about their cultural heritage. The boundaries between inside and outside blur. The very materials used in construction, the walls, floors, fixtures, create a seamless conversation between you and the surrounding barrio. An open-air room might as well be a courtyard, and walking up the light-drenched spiral staircase feels like ascending on a sunbeam. Unnamed isn't just a physical space, it's a journey of exploration. Each hall and pathway is a dilation or compression, leading you to discover new expressions of creativity housed within the collectible furniture and products. But Unnamed doesn't claim to be an isolated entity. While the north-facing design ensures a constant stream of calming, indirect light, each room boasts its own private patio, a sunlit haven that reconnects you with the vibrant community outside. The world may be shut out by the lack of exterior windows, but it's not forgotten. A single perfectly framed square on the bedroom wall offers a glimpse of San Miguel's distant cathedrals, a subtle reminder of the rich history that Unnamed both respects and transcends. The true essence of Unnamed, however, emerges on the rooftop terrace. Here, the privacy gives way to a breathtaking panorama. The barrio unfurls around you, the rolling hills whisper secrets, and the town stretches out below like a tapestry. Unnamed is an invitation to delve into the heart of a community, to experience the confluence of tradition and innovation, and to find yourself within its walls, bathed in the soft glow of creativity. If you're an artist or collector who thrives on cultural exchange and innovative design, then this unique space might be your dream destination. For everyone else, we hope this glimpse inside Unnamed sparked your curiosity about the relationship between art, design, and community. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about Unnamed's approach to living and creativity. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos exploring the intersection of art, design, and the human experience. Thanks for watching.